Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Alt plus Tab on Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, open your remote session. Open the Chrome Remote Desktop app and click on the computer you want to control. Enter your secret code if needed, and wait for your desktop to appear on your screen. You need to be fully connected before you can change how your keyboard works. It ensures you are in the right place to manage your windows. Next, find the side menu. You need to open the hidden menu that has all the extra settings for your connection. Look on the top right of your screen for a three dots icon and click it to slide out the menu. Scroll down through the options until you see the section for keyboard controls. Next, enable keyboard mapping. Now you need to send your keyboard commands to the computer. Look for the box that says Configure Keyboard Shortcuts or Press and Hold for special keys. Make sure the setting for relative pointer mode or keyboard mapping is turned on. Normally, when you press Alt plus Tab, your own computer responds. This change tells the app to pass those buttons through to the other computer, so you can switch your apps there instead. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.